Anthropology paper 2 is out now. So what are the questions, how the question paper is initial, we will have a detailed analysis tomorrow, and today I will be giving you the overall view, immediate opinion of me. So the first question is about material culture and archaeology. Archaeology is a material culture. So relationship between material culture and archaeology we have to write about. You can take the example of ethno-archaeology and you have to write this particular answer. Interface between Purusharthas and Ashramas. Purushas, Dharmartha, Kama, Moksha. Ashrama, Brahmacharya, Vanaprastha, Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasa Ashramas. This both relationship you have to write about. Jajimani system, continuity and change. Whether it is continuing or there is a change. Prehistoric art, rock arts from Uttarakhand. You have to write about this, where we got this Ramapithikas, where we got this Shivapithikas. That particular question, where are the site names in the Uttarakhand we have to mention about. Then religious pluralism and social solidarity. Every year there will be question on religion. Religious pluralism and social solidarity. Usually the social solidarity is because of religion. But this religion pluralism should be there. Multiple religions should exist in one particular state. At the same time, people should stay together. So in that particular context, the questions were been asked. Tribes are backward Hindus. Gurye told about this. And critically comment with the contributions of Gurye. Indus Valley was the first settlement of the big civilization. Yes, you are right about Indus Valley civilization. Discuss the basic tenets of Jainism and its impact on Indian society. Direct question. Easy up to now. Sanskritization is a culture-bound concept. Critically comment to assess the strengths and limitations of the concept and developing a theoretical framework to study social change. Sanskritization, westernization, modernization for social change. Direct question is from Sanskritization. Was Mesolithic culture the first step towards sedentary way of life? Illustrate your answer by citing suitable example. Neolithic, sedentary started, but in Mesolithic they settled down. So everything about Mesolithic sites and Mesolithic in India I have to write about. Critically examine the impact of modern democratic institutions on contemporary tribal societies. Impact of 73rd Constitutional Amendment Act on tribal societies with tribal examples you have to write about. Illustrate the problems faced by PVTGs, particularly vulnerable tribal groups. Critically compare Risley's and Sarkar's approaches to the classification of people of India. Is caste mobility a recent phenomenon? Discuss in light of Indological and empirical context. So, first question, second question, third questions are very, very easy. Coming to section B, scheduled areas, you will write about scheduled areas, schedule 5 of the constitution. Ramapithikas, Shivapithikas debate, expected question. Village as little republics, what is the village as little republics? Remedial languages and their subgroups, what are the subgroups under it? Karma and rebirth, there we had Purusharthas and Ashramas, here we have Karma and rebirth. And E is about, yes, next question is annihilation of caste possible? Discuss the future of caste system in the light of various proactive measures. We can take the example of this DMK people told Sanatana Dharma should be abolished. In this context, they might ask her this question, but however, this is a recent controversy, but caste, whether annihilation of caste is possible or not, B.R. Ambedkar's quote it is. Distinguishing between ethnic identity and ethnicity. Discuss the factors responsible for ethnic conflicts in tribal areas. Meaties versus cookies. Direct question it is. Shivalic deposits show a variety of neogene fossil primates like what? Ramapithikas, Shivapithikas, and the recent Denisovan is also very near to the Shivalics. So on that particular context, the question was been asked. Illustrate the shifting terrains of India's tribal policies in colonial and post-tribal policies. Complete tribal policies in the colonial times and after independence, post-colonial times. Critically examine how the displacement of tribal community due to hydroelectric river dam projects like Pong Dam are affecting the tribal women in local context. Illustrate with suitable ethnographic example. You can take the examples of Baiga and you can explain about Narmada Bachao Andolan you have to write about. Illustrate the role of anthropology in nation building. Yes, in nation building, anthropology will help in no communalism, no ethnic conflicts, no regionalism. In this context, the anthropology will be helping. There are recommendations of M.N. Srinivas, there are recommendations of B.D. Sharma. This all we can write about. Discuss the distribution of tribes in different geographical regions of India. Identify the distinct institutional features of tribal societies of this region. In different geographies. Central India, Northeast India, South India. This is about, the question is about. And in this context, there is another question. Critically evaluate the contributions of Sharat Chandra Roy in Indian anthropology. S.C. Roy, the first Indian anthropologist is S.C. Roy. How are other backward classes identified? You can write the definition of Subbarao, former CGI. Enumerating the important features, illustrate the recent changes in their social and economic life. How they are getting. Paper 2 is very, very easy when compared to the paper 1. Damn easy question paper is paper 2. So in detailed analysis tomorrow I will be coming up. By the time, thank you.